You still love me, Lord, even in my darkest moments, when shadows loom and doubts assail. Your grace enfolds me like a gentle embrace, guiding me through the tempestuous gale. In times of sorrow, when tears stain my cheeks, your love remains unwavering and true. You hold my hand, offering solace and peace, revealing a path that leads me back to you. When my heart is heavy with burdens I bear, you lighten the load with compassion profound. You listen to my prayers, my every plea, and in your presence, comfort is found. In moments of weakness, when I stumble and fall, your forgiveness restores my weary soul. You lift me up, granting strength to stand tall, and heal the wounds that take their toll. Though darkness may surround me, obscuring the way, your light shines forth, dispelling the night. You are my refuge, my hope and my stay, guiding me towards the dawn's gentle light. So, Lord, I humbly bow before you today, with gratitude for the love you bestow. In my darkest moments, help me to find my way, and let your unwavering love always glow. For in your love, I find solace and peace, a heaven where my spirit is set free. I am grateful, dear Lord, that your love will never cease, and in your embrace, forever I will be.